Hello dear students, welcome to Social and Political Life 2, Session 1 for Chapter 2, Role of Government in Health. I hope all are doing good. So let's start with the session. So the first topic is what is health? Health means a ability to remain free of illness and injuries. Apart from disease, there are various factors that affect our health. For example, if people can get clean drinking water or pollution free environment, they are likely to be healthy. Health means our ability to remain free of illness and injuries. Apart from these, there are other factors that affect our health, such as dullness, inactiveness, anxiety, or being scared for long stretches of time. Healthcare in India. India has a large number of doctors, clinics, and hospitals. The country also has considerable experience and knowledge in running a public healthcare system. There are two types of healthcare systems: public health services and private health facilities. To prevent and treat illness, we need appropriate healthcare facilities such as health centers, hospitals, laboratories for testing, and ambulance services, blood banks, etc. These facilities can provide the care and service that a patient needs. To run such facilities, we need the health workers, nurses, qualified doctors, and other health professionals who can advise, diagnose, and treat illness. We also need medicines and equipments that are necessary for treating patients. India has a large number of doctors, clinics, and hospitals, public healthcare system, and private healthcare system. So what is public healthcare system? Public healthcare system is a chain of healthcare and hospital run by government. At the village level, there are health centers where there is usually a nurse and a village health worker. At the district level, in the district hospital that also supervises all the health centers. The public health service is meant to provide quality healthcare service either free or at a low cost, so that even the poor can seek treatment. According to our constitution, it is the primary duty of the government to ensure the welfare of people and provide health care and facilities to all. The government must safeguard the right of life of every person. So the public health service is a chain of health center and hospitals run by the government. They are the linked together so that they cover both rural and urban areas. At the village level, there are health centers. At the district level, district hospital, and larger cities, they have government hospitals. The health service is called public for many reasons. As mentioned below, the government has established hospital and healthcare for everyone. The medical facilities are provided at low cost. The function of public health service is to take action to prevent the spread of disease such as TB, malaria, jaundice, cholera, diarrhea, chikungunya, etc. The government must safeguard the right of life to everyone. According to our constitution, it is the primary duty of the government to ensure that the welfare of the people and provide health care facilities to all. Next is private healthcare facilities. The large number of doctors run their own private clinics. In the rural areas, one finds registered medical practitioners, RPMs, RMPs. Urban areas have a large number of doctors, many of them providing specialized service. Private health facilities are not owned or controlled by the government. The patients have to pay a lot of money for every service that they use. There is a wide range of private health facilities that exist in our country. There are hospitals, and nurses, homes that are privately owned. Private health facilities are not owned or controlled by the government. Patients have to pay a lot of money for every service that they use. Is adequate healthcare available to all? In India, we face a situation where private services are increasing but public services are not. Private services are concentrated in the urban areas. The cost of these services is rather high. Medicines are expensive. For those who are poor, every illness in the family is a cause of great anxiety and distress. They are not provided with basic necessities like drinking water, adequate housing, clean surroundings, etc. And therefore, we are more likely to fall ill. Many tribal areas have few health centers and they do not run properly. What can be done? It is the responsibility of the government to provide equality healthcare services to all its citizens, especially the poor and the disadvantaged. It is the responsibility of the government to provide quality health service to all its citizens, especially the poor and the disadvantaged. It is the important work of public health facilities as well as the basic amenities in order to provide the health situations of our people. Let us take example of Kerala. In 1996, the Kerala government allocated 40% of total Kerala budget to the panchayats. This made it possible for a development and education. Healthcare were also improved. Second case study is of Costa Rica. Costa Rica is considered to be one of the healthiest countries in South America. The Costa Rica government provides basic service and amenities to the Costa Ricans. For example, it provides safe drinking water, sanitization, nutrition and housing. So this was the last topic. So I hope you have understood all the topics and the chapter well. As I always advise, please read your textbook, underline the hard words, write them 5 times in your notebook, read the slides, listen to the videos, and you will understand it much better. So see you in the next session for question and answer. Till then, bye and take care.